The device side of the building structure that we have at King's is we are new and old. We are the oldest running school in the world, but our mixture has changed from new to old, but we've maintained the heritage side. With our Wi-Fi, we have vast trouble trying to get through 1 metre thick walls of flint and stone. So we've worked around that by bringing mesh points and APs to the outside of buildings. And we're now obviously with the beacons as well for the push notifications will give us the ability to be able to push more information to students and staff outside the buildings as well as inside the buildings as well. The Aruba components that we use in the school, we use obviously the Wi-Fi wireless controller from Aruba. At present we're using the 7210, which gives us control over all our access points up to 1,028 devices. As I mentioned, we have 380 odd access points, which we are changing the generation of yearly. We will be going up to 500 series where we will be employing 11AX. Location-based services using stuff like Meridian, it's great where you can locate your assets, so you can do your asset tracking through Meridian, and also you can plot and do wayfinding for location areas. For instance, when we have King's Week, we are able to map out the whole area, including the sites that are not inside King's School. The management side of the network is actually quite straightforward. We have obviously our ClearPass system. The use of ClearPass, in my opinion, as Network Manager is an invaluable tool. We use this for the segmentation of role-based policies and profiles across the school from students, staff and support members. This allows us to not only have a real-time, again, actionable access tracker to see who's coming onto the network, but it's also an excellent tool for first fix. This allows the technicians to see why someone is not able to log onto the network and action immediately. It could be a password, it could be something with the device. We also use the on-guard side for the persistent agent for laptops. This allows us to make sure that the laptop is good enough to be on our network. We also have our airwave management system, which allows us to monitor all of our Aruba solution as we're going along. We're looking at going to central to make it cloud-based. The world now is looking at cloud-based, and that will allow us to have a central place. The simplicity of using such things as airwave and ClearPass means that technicians don't spend an hour a day checking the network, making sure these things are working. They basically run themselves. We add stuff in, we can bring in third-party devices as we have done with Lobby Connect and Palo Alto by bringing in extensions. It's very flexible and it allows us to bolt on as well as maintain our network.